you ever wanted to create a beautiful quilt in just about a weekend? I'm going to guide you through that process. We are going to make Treasure Chest, the quilt behind me, in just about a weekend. I'm going to show you what you need to do. You will be taking 2.5-inch strips, either from your stash or from a beautiful strip pack that you might have in your stash. And we are going to create one simple block that you will repeat over and over again. Once you've created those blocks, I will show you how to join them together in the layout, put your borders on, and then we will talk quilting design options. Once that is all done, you will have a beautiful quilt that you have done super simply in just about a weekend. And this is a great quilt for beginners and advanced quilters alike. So please join me for this wonderful short little class that you can make this beautiful quilt.